शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्. We have seen Shidhagatyam Dhatu up to lit, I think. Sishidha, Sishedha, Sishedha, Sishidhatuhu, Sishidhuhu, Sishedhitha, Sishidhathuhu, Sishidha, Sishedha, Sishidhiva, Sishidhima. The rest are simple. Sedhita, Lut Lakara, Sedhita, Sedhitarau, Sedhitaraha, Ityadi. In Sedhita, there will be Ardhadhatuka Guna by Puganta Laghupadhasya cha, Siddhadhatu plus Lut in the place of Lut, Tip. Then there is Syatasil Rundutoho iti Tas pratyaya. Then Tas is Ardhadhatuka. Being Ardhadhatuka, Puganta Laghupadhasya cha iti Siddhadhatoho ikaha gunadesho bhavati. Therefore it will become Sedh, Sedh plus Ta, and it agama will also happen. Ardhadhatukasya dvaladehe. Sedh plus Ita plus Tip, and Tip then Lutaf prathamasya Daraurasaha will work. Da pratyaya, Da adesha. Then this Tilopa ityadi. Then finally you get Sedhita. Sedhitarau, Sedhitaraha ityadi. Sedhishyati, Lrit Lakara, Sedhishyati. Here also Puganta Laghupadhasya cha, Sya being Ardhadhatuka, Puganta Laghupadhasya works. Sedhatu, Lot Lakara. Here Shap is Sarvadhatuka. Therefore Puganta Laghupadhasya works. Asedhat, Langalakara. Here also Sarvadhatuka, Shap being Sarvadhatuka, Puganta Laghupadhasya works. Sedhet, Vidhiling, again Sarvadhatuka, Shap, therefore Puganta Laghupadhasya cha. Then Siddhyat, in Siddhyat it is Ashirling. Siddhyat, Siddhyastam, Siddhyasuhu ityadi. Here Puganta Laghupadhasya cannot work because Ashirling gets Yasut. And when it gets Yasut, it becomes a Kit, Kidashishi. We have seen the sutra. Being a Kit, the Ardhadhatuka guna which is prapta is negated by kingiti cha. Therefore, siddhyat, siddhyastam ityadi. All the rest are similar to what we have seen before. Then asedhit, this is a lung lakara. Chali lungi, siddha plus tip. Then chali lungi, chale hai sich. Then sich is valadi ardha dhatuka. Therefore, it agama, siddha plus it plus sich plus tip. Tip will lose its e, itascha. Therefore, siddha plus is plus takara. And then there is a eat agama, astisicho prakte. Eat agama. Takara is aprakta. Aprakta gets eat. Therefore, siddha plus is plus eat. Then then the sich is ardha dhatuka. Sich being ardha dhatuka, it causes guna by puganta laghu padhasya cha. Therefore, sedh plus is plus eat. Then ita iti iti sakarasya lopaha. And then savarna dirgha. Then sedh plus eat. Then lung lang lung shadudattaha. At agama comes a sedh eat, asedhit. You can work it out. Simple. We have seen all the sutras before. So, asedhit, asedhishtam, asedhishuhu, asedhihi, asedhishtam, asedhishta, asedhisham, asedhishva, asedhishma. Then asedhishyat, lrangalakara, simple. So this is shidha dhatu. Similarly, there are other dhatus. Two dhatus are given here. Evam. Evam means like this, in the same manner. Chiti sanjnane. Chiti dhatu. In chiti, E is anunasika. Therefore, chit alone remains. Chit. This dhatu is the origin for so many words that we use in Vedanta. Like chittam, chit, chaitanya. Chiti sanjnane. Sanjnana means awareness. Samyak jnana. Awareness. Chiti dhatu is used in the sense of awareness. To be aware. Chiti sanjnane is also derived like other dhatus. Not derived, conjugated. When a dhatu, we produce the tinganta forms of a dhatu, it is called conjugation in English. Chiti dhatu is also conjugated like shidha dhatu. Therefore, sedhati, sorry, not sedhati, chetati, puganta laghupadhasya cha will work here also. Chetati, chetataha, chetanti, ityadi. You can find all other forms, and better to derive even this. If you want to see what forms it will get, you can look into some books. For example, this is a very good book, Brihadhatu Kusumakaraha. All forms of all dhatus are listed in this book, Brihadhatu Kusumakaraha. It is published by Chaukhamba Samskrita Pratisthana. So you can look into this book, and accordingly you can derive chetati, chetataha, ityadi. So you can derive the forms. When there is a doubt, you can check it with this book, whether your derivations are complete, correct or not. Also, there are apps nowadays. I think there is app for dhatu also. So you can download that app. I don't know which app. You can ask the scholars. So similarly, shocha shoke dhatu, shocha dhatu, a is it, only shuch will remain. It is used in the sense of sorrow, shochati. Here also puganta laghupadhasya works. So this is also parasmaipadi, like shidha dhatu, and puganta laghupadhasya will work. So more or less same as shidha dhatu. Shochati, shochati, shochataha, shochanti. Yeah. So it is also simple. Nanu shochanti panditaha. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2. Soham Bhagava Shochami, chapter 7 of Chandogya. Soham Bhagava Shochami. Yeah. Shocha Shoke. Both are important dhatus. Then Gadavyaktāyām vāci. Gada dhatu. Gada dhatu is used in the sense of Vyaktayam vachi. Vyaktavak. Vyakta means intelligible, clear, intelligible vak, speech. When human beings speak, it is intelligible. Unlike when dogs or anything, any other animals speak, it is not intelligible. We cannot make out what they say. So therefore, Vyaktavak, Gadati. So, Gadadhatu is used in the sense of intelligible speech. The derivation form is simple. Gadati. Gada plus lat. In the place of lat, tip. Gad plus tip. Then shap, kartari shap. Gad plus shap plus tip. Here no guna will happen. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho cannot work because the final letter is dakara in gad. Therefore, though shap is sarvadhatuka, it cannot cause guna by sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho. Also, puganta laghupadhasya, can it work? Puganta laghupadhasya. Gad plus shap, this a is shap, ti. Can puganta laghupadhasya work? This is a sarvadhatuka. Yeah. What is the upadha in gad? Is upadha. Is it laghu? It is laghu. Can puganta laghu padhasya work? No. Why? Because ik, only ik gets a guna by puganta laghu padhasya. This is not ik. Pugantasya laghupadhasya cha angasya ikah sthane gunaha adesho bhavati. But this is not ik. Therefore, puganta laghupadhasya cha cannot work. Therefore, leave it. No puganta laghupadhasya. Gad plus a plus ti, gadati. Gadati. Gadati, gadataha, gadanti. Gadasi, gadathaha, gadatha, gadami, gadavaha, gadamaha. Simple. Now, let us remember something which we have discussed long back in Subanta Prakarana, Rama Shabda. We have seen a sutra, At Kupvangnum Yavayepi. What does the sutra mean? Yeah, Rashabhyam Naha Naha Samanapade. Whenever Repha and Shakara, Repha or Shakara are followed by a Na, Nakara, and even if certain letters intervene, At Kup, At Ku, Pu, Ang, num. When these things intervene, even then this nakara changes into nakara. Samanapade. This was the condition. Samanapada means akhanda pada. Ramanama. Is it one pada? It is one pada. Ramanama is one pada. Ramanama is one pada. Because samasa is one pada. Krit tadhi, samasa is one pratipadika. And then sup, you add sup, it becomes one pada. But this one pada is a combination of two padas. Yeah. It is a combination of two padas. Therefore, primarily, this is not a single pada. It is a pada which is made of two padas. Therefore, this is not akhanda pada. Ramanama is not akhanda pada. Therefore, this repa cannot cause natva in this na. Therefore, it remains Ramanama only. It does not become Ramanama because it is not akhanda pada. This is one akhanda pada. This is another akhanda pada. Two akhanda padas combine to form a new pada, ekapada. Samasa means ekapadi bhavaha. Now, let me ask a question. Ni upasarga gada dhatu. Okay. Ni upasarga gada dhatu. Nigadati, nigadyate. You might have heard this word, nigadyate. Nijagada simhoru sattvam nijagada simha. Where? Simhoru Raghuvamsha, chapter 2, Dilipa. I don't know whether you have studied. Simhoru sattvam nijagada simha. Yeah, nijagada. Jagada jagadatuhu, that is lit form. Ni upasarga gad lit. See, that is why it is good to memorize whatever you learn in the, in Sahitya. Then you can relate it well. Okay, Kalidasa uses this word. So, ni upasarga gad dhatu. I have formed the proper tinganta, nigadati. Nigadati. Now, how many padas are there in this? How many padas are there in this? Huh? No. There are two padas. Because ni is one pada. Ni is one pada. In fact, ni also takes sup pratyaya. Su. Then there is a sutra. Ni being an avyaya. Avyayadap supaha. I think we have seen the sutra. So su is gone. Ni is a pada. And gadati is another pada. But ni has to be immediately preceding gadati. Because there is a rule. Upasargaha. No. Kriya Yoge is fine. It is a Sanya Sutra. Upasargaha Kriya Yoge is a Sanya Sutra. It gives Upasarga Sanya. Te pragdhatoho. Te pragdhatoho. Upasarga is always before the dhatu, immediately before the dhatu. That's why we always put them together like this. Otherwise, they are not same pada. They are two different padas. Ni and gadati are two different padas. Te pragdhatoho. This is general rule. But then there are exceptions when it comes to Vedas. Chandasi parepi vyavahitascha. It is possible in Vedas. In Veda, anywhere you can find upasarga. Even after the dhatu, you may get upasarga. Sometimes. And sometimes it may be vyavahita. Upasarga and dhatu. There may be something in between also. Therefore, when you do anvaya of a Vedic passage, you have to locate the upasarga and put it with the dhatu. Therefore, Vedic anvaya is even more difficult. Whereas when you study Kalidasa, you won't find that way. Upasarga is always with dhatu. Nijagada. Jagada ni is not possible. So nigadati is two words, two padas. Ni is one pada and gadati is another pada. Now I bring another upasarga. We can bring one more upasarga also. Pra ni gadati. Sometimes you can have two upasargas also. Yeah. Pranigadati. Now, there is a repa here. This repa, pra. And there is a nakara. This repa can be a nimitta for natva. What is intervening after repa? Only a akara of pra is intervening. Now, atkupvangnum yavayepi. Can it work? Can atkupvangnum yavayepi, this sutra, work? It cannot, because it is different pada. Pra is different, ni is different. Not samana pada. Therefore, atkupvangnum yavayepi cannot work here. That sutra cannot work. But in the usage, we find a na here. We find pranigadati. That is how it is used in the language. Therefore, Panini makes another sutra to bring about natva in such cases also, on such certain occasions. Gada, nada, pata, pada, ghu, ma, syati. I'll split and write. Nehe, gada, nada, pata, pada, ghu, ma, syati, hanti, yati, vati, drati, psati, vapati, vahati, shamyati, chinoti, degthi, shu, cha. Yeah. Ner gada nada pata pada घुमास्यति हन्ति याति वाति द्राति प्साति वपति वहति शाम्यति चिनोति देग्धिषु च. Yeah. Long sutra. निर्गदनदपतपदघुमास्यति हन्ति याति वाति द्राति प्साति वपति वहति शाम्यति चिनोति देग्धिषु च. So, what is the anuvritti? Yeah, upasargat रसाभ्याम नह नह. Yeah. उपसर्गात रसाभ्याम नह नह. Yeah. See, there are so many dhatus. These are a list of dhatus. I will just tell the dhatus. Yeah. This is gada. Gada vyaktayam vachi. Gada dhatu. Then nada dhatu. Nada avyakte shabde. That is the dhatu. Another is nada avyakte shabde. Another dhatu. Then pata. Pata is patil gatau dhatu. And pada. Pada is pada gatau. Pada gatau. Another dhatu. Like padyate. Pada dhatu. It is also gatyarthaka. Then ghu. Ghu is not a dhatu in itself. It is a sanya for certain dhatus. Ghusanyaka dhatus. What is ghusanya? We will see later. Dada ghvadap. There is a sutra. It gives ghusanya. Then ma. Ma is, there are three dhatus in fact, which have the same form. One is mang mane shabde cha. Another is mang mane divadigana. Another is ming pranidane dhatu. So there are three in ma. Ma itself stands for three roots which have the same form. Then syati, sho antakarmani. Sho antakarmani dhatu is syati. Then hana, you know, hana himsagatyoho. Then ya, yati. Yati is ya dhatu. Ya gatau. Ya prapane dhatu. Yati, shtip nirdesha. Ya plus the shtip becomes yati. Then vati. Vati is vagatigandhanayoho. Vayuhu vati. Shtip nirdesha. Vadhatu. Then drati. Dradhatu. Drakutsayam gatau. Dradhatu. Psa. Psati. Psati is psadhatu. Psa bhakshani. Then vapati is tuapa bija santani. Yeah, so vapati. Then vaha prapane. Vaha, to carry. Then shamyati is shamadhatu. Shamu upashame, to become quiet. Shamyati. Again stip, all these are stip nirdesha. Then chinya chayane, chinoti, to pick or to select. Then diha upachaye, diha upachaye. Diha dhatu has the meaning of, what's it called? Lepanam. What's it called? Smearing. Yeah, smearing. Yeah, smearing. So, degdhi. Yeah, degdhi. Yeah, the deha shabda also is derived from that only. So, these are the dhatus. So, it is Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachana, which is Parasaptami. Degdhishu Saptami Bahuvachana. I think this is not the right pen. Nehe Shashti Ekavachana. Let me write the Anvaya. Upasargat should be modified slightly. Upasargasthat. Nimittat. Sorry. Upasargasthabhyam. I will write. Upasargasthabhyam. 5-2. Rashabhyam. Upasargasthabhyam rashabhyam parasya नेह नस्य नह नेह नह. नेह is षष्ठी विभक्ति of ni. Na is षष्ठी विभक्ति of nakara. नह स्थाने नह आदेशः गद देग्धिषु परेषु. Understood? Yeah. Upasargasthabhyam rashabhyam. Repha or shakara, which are nimitta for natva, they are present in an upasarga. Then the na of ni, nakara of ni upasarga, ni upasarga or ni avyaya, takes na adesha when these dhatus follow. Gada ityadi dhatu follows. That means an upasarga, in the case of an upasarga, is followed by ni and it is further followed by gada, etc. Then if this upasarga has a nimitta, repha or shakara, which is not intervened by any other letter than atkup, etc., then this ni gets na. So in this present context. See, pra ni gadati. See, upasarga. Pra is one upasarga. In this upasarga there is a nimitta. Repha nimitta is there. Then gada dhatu is following. The na of ni becomes na by ner gada nada pata pada ityadi. Therefore, pra upasarga, ni upasarga, gadati. Ner gada ityadi. It becomes pranigadati. See the sutra. Once the regular class starts, I will ask this sutra to all the people. Ner gada nada pata pada. Nehe gada nada pata pada ghu ma syati hanti yati vati drati psati vapati vahati shamyati chinoti degdhishu cha upasargasthat nimittat parasya nehe nasya naha gadadishu pareshu upasargasthat nimittat parasya. So the nimitta which is there in an upasarga, nimitta refers to repha shakara, which is not intervened by any letter other than at, kup, etc. Then it is nimitta. So nimitta includes, we have to keep in mind those two sutras, that is atkupvangnum yavayepi and rashabhyam nona samanapade. So nehe nasya naha, the nakara of ni becomes na. Gadadishu pareshu, when the ni is followed by gad ityadi. Gadadishu pareshu. Pranigadati. Nigadyate antahkaranam manodhihi. In Viveka Chudamani we saw last or in which class? Nigadyate antahkaranam manodhihi. Yeah. Recently we have done, before lockdown was announced. Yeah. Kuhoshchuhu. So this is another sutra for abhyasa. What is abhyasa? Purvaha abhyasaha. See, purvaha abhyasaha. When the doubling has happened, then the preceding one, the purva, is called abhyasa. What is abhyasta? Yeah, ubhe abhyastam. Yeah, when doubling happens, the two are together called abhyasta. The first one is called abhyasa. Yeah. Number 7462. Yeah. Abhyasasya angasya even without angasya it's perfect. Abhyasasya kuhoho sthane chuhu adeshaha. Yeah. Ku means kavarga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. All these are ku. How do you get ku means kavarga? Anudit savarnasya cha pratyayaha. Ku is udit. So being udit, ut, it, it stands for all its savarna. So ku, chu, tu, tu, pu, ete uditaha. So ku in the place of kavarga, chavarga adesha happens. And who, ha, hakara. In the place of hakara also, chavargadesha happens. In the place of any letter of kavarga as well as hakara of the abhyasa, chavarga adesha happens. Simple. Abhyasasya kavarga hakarasya kavargasya hakarasya cha sthane chavargadesho bhavati iti. Now which letter will come? How to decide? Sthanentartamaha. Yeah. Sthanentartamaha. So which is closer we have to see. For ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, which is closer, there is no problem. Each following. Yeah. But ha, when it comes to ha, how to decide which of the chavarga? How to decide? Sthani antaratamaha. How to decide the antarya? Closeness. How to decide? So antaratamaha means sadrishatamaha, which is most similar. Yeah. 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 No, tulyasya prayatnam is savarnam. Yeah. We have to see the sthana and abhyantara prayatna and bahya prayatna. So here sthana, as far as sthana is concerned, for all those cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, all five have the same sthana. So you cannot decide closest by sthana. Abhyantara prayatna, let us take. What is Abhyantara prayatna for Chavarga? What is Abhyantara prayatna? Huh? Sprishta, Isha Sprishta, Ishad Vivrish, Ishad Sprishta, Ishad Vivrita. 5 prayatnas are there. Abhyantara prayatna. Which one is for consonants? Sparsha. Kadayo mavasanaha sparshaha. Sparshanam sprishtam prayatna. So sprishta is the prayatna for all vargiya vyanjanas. For ha, Ishad Vivritam Ushmanam, Ishad Vivrita. Therefore, you cannot decide. Even Abhyantara Prayatna, you cannot decide. You have to go for Bahya Prayatna. What is Bahya Prayatna for Hakara? Samvara Nada Ghosha Mahaprana. Samvara Nada Ghosha Mahaprana. Now, which of the Chavarga has this? Cha and Cha. What is their Bahya Prayatna? Samvara or Vivara? No. Yeah, Vivara. Cha and Cha are Vivara, Shwasa Aghosha. Yeah. Ja is Samvara Nada Ghosha, but Alpa Prana. Ja Samvara Nada Ghosha Mahaprana. Therefore, Ja Varga Chaturtha. We have seen this in another sutra. Which sutra? Yeah, Vaghari. Yeah, what is the sutra? Yeah, I don't want to say. You find out which sutra we have seen. Yeah. Hakara takes Varga Chaturtha. That is Ja. Yeah. So even if you get a Ja, then there is another sutra we have seen before for Abhyasa. What is it? So the Ja becomes Ja again. Yeah. Yeah. Abhyasa. For in the Abhyasasya section, you see how many sutras we have already seen. Go to that. What is the number? 7.3. What is the number? Yeah. Hraswaha, Haladisheshaha we have seen. Kuhoshtuhu we have seen. Then one more sutra also we have seen. Abhyase charcha. Yeah. Abhyase charcha also we have seen. Yeah. Char. So what does Jhalam? Char. Yeah. So the Jha becomes Char. Means Ja, the closest Char. Therefore, Mahaprana will become Alpa Prana once again by that sutra. So, yeah, that is a process. Abhyase Charcha also we have to keep in mind. Hraswaha, Haladisheshaha, and Abhyase Charcha. So now we have to look into, okay, we'll complete this sutra first, then we'll go to that one. Yeah. Kuhoshtuhu Abhyasa Kavargaha Karayoho Chavargadeshaha. Abhyasa Kavarga and Abhyasa Hakara. Kavarga of an Abhyasa and hakara of an abhyasa gets chavargadesha. Chavargadesha bhavati. Yeah, we'll continue in the next class. नृत्तावसाने नटराजराजो ननादढक्कां नवपञ्चवारम् उद्धर्तु कामः सनकादिसिद्धान् एतद्विमर्शे शिवसूत्रजालम्.